Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We implemented the algorithm for the second step in our phase 2 here, and we evaluated the right hand side. Today we will learn how to factorize x on the left hand side expression. So we will go to every single token on the left hand side and eliminate x, and then next time we print, we'll print that expression times x. X, it's in the variable unknown in our case. Okay, so let's just go through every single token in the left hand side. So we'll have for I in range of len of LHS tokens. Okay, and we will check first if we have something that has star x or star unknown. So like f star x, we'll have to remove the star x. So if star plus unknown in left hand side tokens of I, we'll have to remove that part. So we'll say LHS tokens at index I, it's equal LHS tokens at index I dot replace, and we will replace star plus unknown with an empty string, and then this token is processed, we will move to the next token, so we'll say continue. So let's just take a quick look here. So star plus unknown will be the case of this token, f star x, and we will say the new token will be this token, but with star x replaced to an empty string, it will be f. Okay. We can also have a token that will be x star something, like x star f. Okay, so we'll process that token similarly. So we'll say unknown plus x in token. So if we have this case, we'll replace unknown plus star with nothing. Okay, and then let's take a look. We can have plus x, minus x, or x. So this will have to be converted in plus 1, minus 1, or 1. Okay, so I will say if LHS tokens of I is equal x, then LHS tokens of I is equal 1, and continue to the next token. Okay, and similarly for negative x and plus x. So if it is negative x, after factorization will be negative 1. If it is plus x, after factorization it will be plus 1. Okay, so and then it can be 0. If it is 0, it will stay 0. So now our new LHS tokens will be these tokens here. I will convert an expression. So I will copy it from here and have a new LHS built from the new LHS tokens. And then next step, I will print the new formula. So this one. So let's just say we have the LHS expression, the new LHS expression, then we have the multiply sign, and then we have the unknown, and the rest is the same. So the formula sign, and then right hand side. So let's print it. So I'll say print LHS, then multiplication sign, then the unknown, unknown, then the formula sign, and then the right hand side. Okay, that should be it. Let's run the 7 tests. So I will save this file and execute all tests. First test is this one. So we have f times x become f in parentheses times x. Test passed. Then second test passed as well. Third test also passed. Fourth test f times x, very good. Fifth test negative f times x, very good. Sixth test we have 1 minus 1 plus f, very good. And the last test negative f times x. Okay, so all tests passed. Next type we will move into evaluating this expression as well, because we can evaluate it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.